Morning. Williams, Philippines. Just got back from the market, and if I did my math right, I just spent about, what was it, 1,200 pesos? 1280, 1,300 pesos on groceries. I got some shrimp. I'm not going to pull them out because, well, they're leaking everywhere. They're already bad enough. Got a half kilo of pork and a half kilo of chicken breast. So, got a couple days worth of food. And then noodles, hot dogs. I have no idea where I'm going to put all this stuff. Haven't even got that far yet. Eggs, 52 pesos for a half dozen. So, even here's got inflation, folks. Anyway, yeah, that's a good thing. Getting food's a good thing. Inflation isn't. But, yeah, I'm trying to put this up as I go, but yeah, don't know about y'all, but I'm hungry. They're supposed to be delivering me some what do you call it, pots and pans so I can cook, because I can tell you quite honestly, I'm hungry, and I do mean hungry. I need food. Of course, I also going to need something to drink. Ran through all my fluids here. Yeah, chicken breast. Oh. Morning. Yes. Yes. Pots and pans too?
Other, I would say,
Frying pan?
yeah.
Spatulas? Anything else?
It's okay. Oh, induction, there is rice cooker, okay.
Yeah. Well, do you have a woo? Do you have a pot?
Pot?
Yeah.
Bowl?
Pan, pot.
I'm trying to see in the housekeeping.
Okay.
Only one pot?
Yeah,
Or
one
soap?
pot. One
Or
pot.
soap? Or soap? What kind of pot?
This is a pan, a pot, more like this. Pot with a handle on it.
For cooking?
Yeah, for cooking.
I try to
Yeah.
get that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. I don't know if he... I'll try to get that out of there. I don't know. Anyway, Tammy, I don't know about y'all, but it has been a very, very busy day. I'm trying not to leak everywhere. Need to put that on or in something. Need a bowl or a paper towel to sit it on so it catches all the drippings. Because it is definitely leaking. I think I'm going to try shrimp tonight. Stir fry shrimp of some sort. Sorry. Lady, I think charged me too much on the veggies. I got Kano taxed, pretty sure, but that's okay. It could be worse. What was this? I forget. I got something else. But yes, I've had my first run to the market. Pre-chopped up stir fry stuff. It was next to nothing. So yeah, and some noodles to go with it. Oh mercy. All I know is I enjoyed my shopping. And yeah,
Only this available. It's okay for you.
that'll work.
Yeah, try to in the induction. Try.
Induction, yeah.
Yeah, induction.
Okay, it should work.
Should work in the rice cooking. It's okay, rice cooking. Okay, sir.
I'm still trying to set up. I just barely got food.
Ah.
Do you have a spatula, stir,
Knife or
a knife, a ladle, and a spatula?
I will try again. Okay, hold on.
Thank you, sir. I have pot. Small pot, but I have pot. We're trying. Anyway, yes, this has been a very educational day. And I've had fun with it. Uh, 50 cents or 50 pesos, so $1 for 3 packs of noodles, and then I think it was 10 cents each, so, or 10 pesos each. Anyway, folks, I'm getting closer to actually having something set up where I can cook and eat and have food here at my house. Casa William is getting closer to functional, and that's a good thing. But I still have more stuff I need to get. I forgot to check on a whole bunch of things. I made the mistake. I went in and got veggies first, and they started getting heavy. And with the meat on top of them and the eggs, I decided to call it. I had these folks showing up at 8 this morning, so yeah, and they're showing up at 8 this morning. Yay. I'll have to figure out where everything's going, and but I have food. I even somewhere in here have a bit of cooking oil, which, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to try to get some cooking oil from the actual grocery store, not the little market, because how do you portion that out for just getting a little stir fry going? I don't know. But yeah. Peppers, tomatoes, I have no idea what they each cost. I just handed a whole bucket full of stuff over to her, and she did that, and 5 cents of ketchup. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, a couple of calamansis and some limes and some little peppers also. I got several types of peppers. An ear of corn. Fresh garlic. That's always good. Now if I just had all the stuff to take and do it, a couple of potatoes, some green beans. Well, I wanted the pot. It's hard to cook green beans without a pot. I guess you could fry them, but Yeah. I still got to figure out where all this stuff's going. Cabbage. A whole head. I probably should have only got half, but some more red onions, or red onions. A couple of carrots. Yeah. I've got to figure this out. Hey, again.
It's okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
only
that'll,
one.
huh? That'll work.
Yeah.
And you said only one what?
One.
You were starting to say only one?
No, what kind was it?
Oh, the spatula.
Oh, yeah, one.
I can.
Sorry. You have kettle in your room? Kettle.
Yeah, I have a kettle. Oh, no kettle. I don't have the kettle, but I got the rice cooker and the induction cooker.
Your first kettle?
Yeah, I could use
Or
the kettle.
Your water? Your
Yeah, for water.
kettle?
I need the kettle. And
Okay.
that should be it, unless you can find a spatula.
Oh, spatula? Only this spatula?
Like this, but with a flat head. Instead of a bowl,
Yeah,
the spoon,
yeah.
a flat one.
I try to get other hand.
Thank you, sir.
Because mini monthly here. Mini ba? Mini
You got a lot of people here?
Yeah, yeah. I will think. Okay,
Thank you,
we're
sir.
back, we're back.
Hurry, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Oh. Yellow onion. Some potatoes. I think that's about it. Oh, another garlic. Yeah. Yeah, another garlic and another pepper. But yes, I have food. Lots of food. And more food. Now I just gotta figure out what to do with all of it. And I just felt this knife. I don't know about you, but it's not in the greatest condition. There's a notch right here that looks like it's about to fall out, and it definitely needs to be sharpened. And I'm gonna need a cutting board, so somewhere else to go. I actually looked at a cutting board yesterday and thought about it and then didn't get it. I should have. It's okay. I've got the rest of the day to go pick up my laundry that I already dropped off and go over to the mall and try and get a dish rack, spatula, another knife, and a cutting board, and probably 20 other things. I could probably go back to the market and try and get some more stuff there. I definitely need to take a day to explore the market. That thing was huge. Only thing I didn't like about it was the smell and the fact that there was a lot of wet. Yeah, they call it a wet market for a reason. So, yay. Oh. And I already want another shower. And I just got out of one before I left. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. I know it's a plain, simple thing. I didn't even take the camera or anything with me. I just brought back the results. At this point, I'm barely getting me out the door. But that's okay. I am going to go and hose down my shoes because I know there's some nasties on them. I should have took them off at the door. Yeah. We're getting closer to functional. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. I hope you have a blessed day. And like, comment, subscribe, hey, do you. I'm trying to do me to the best of me. And I'm having fun with it. So, hey, you too can just go and do you and enjoy it. Why are you living if you ain't enjoying it? Oh, are you really living if you're not enjoying it? I'm not sure. But it seems like an internal problem. You know, left ear, right ear, heart, head, and God, all inside that. If you're not enjoying life, that's probably where the problem is. I stopped trying to blame other people for, not my department dealing with them, not their department to deal with me. I deal with me, and I try to keep me happy between left, right, heart, head, and God. And at that point, And Dan, I haven't got around to checking. I think it might have been my shirt that said, God brought me out of hell so that I could go back in and bring other people out. If I remember right. I think that's the one you were questioning. I'm not sure. It says something like that. But having been through hell, I'm definitely qualified as part of that statement. Anyway, I'm enjoying life. You enjoy yours. Tonight I am eating food from here, some way or another. Even if it's just scrambled eggs and hot dogs. I think I've got better options. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Do you. Like, comment, subscribe. Guess what? I'm Fish. Fish is out.